find where his center is, and then he can reground, touch my chest, touch my elbow, and give him a hop. He comes back, I touch his base, I put my weight down, and he gives me a hop. And then I give him a hop. That time I felt a lot too much pressure on my thumb. So on my next issue, I'm going to empty my thumb out and create a magnetic blanket to repel him. And then he bounces me. I put my weight on his feet, so he gets 130 kilos on his feet and activating his fascia, and he trains his springs. And then I come back in, I'm still on this feeling, and then I just extend the energy through his balance. And I can do as much compression and bang as I want into it, or make it more of a extending his balance out, and just separating those bodies. The balance, the mass, the tension. If I can get them apart, then my will go through them and affect them.